Hi friends, Miggi from Figma here. Today we're going to animate the arc tool with Figma Motion, so let's go. Let's begin in Figma Design. I'm going to press the O key to draw out a circle. I'm going to hold both the Shift and the Option key, that's Shift and Alt key if you're on Windows, to drag out this circle. I'm going to center it to the middle and then extend that out just a little bit more. We're going to press Shift X, that's going to swap the fill and the stroke. Now, with this circle selected, I'm going to come over here to choose the arc tool. We're going to open up that arc tool and sweep it to about 75%. I'm going to hover over the center dot, that's the ratio. We're going to drag this all the way to the edge. With that now set, we're going to come over here to the stroke panel. In the stroke panel, we're going to increase that stroke value all the way to a value of 40. We're going to set that to be in the center so the stroke will align to the center. Just below it, we're going to set those endpoints to round. This is going to give us the look that we want and going to allow us to animate this stroke. So that sweep value is going to go to 100%. With the circle selected, I'm going to press the I key to pull up the eyedropper tool and select that orange color. Now let's move on over to Figma Motion, and here in Figma Motion, we're going to change our timeline to seconds. We're going to set it to 2 seconds. We're going to move our playhead all the way over to the far left. This is where we're going to set our first keyframe. We're going to come to the appearance panel right here where we see the arc tool. We're going to set that keyframe. It's going to set 3 keyframes for us: the start, sweep, and ratio. We really only need the sweep value. I'm going to delete those two so we just have the sweep value there. I'm going to move that over to about 1.5 seconds right there, and then we're going to set the sweep value here to 0.25. What that's going to do is set the sweep at that point in time at 0 seconds, and then as we drag our playhead, we will see the full sweep take place. Press the space bar and we can watch that animate. Let's go over to design mode. I'm going to copy the circle with Command D, and then we're going to scale that down. I'm going to use the Shift and the Alt key, or Shift and the Option key, to scale that down right about there. And then we're going to change that color to blue. I'm going to hit Command D or Control D, hold down Shift and Option, Shift and Alt if you're on Windows, and let's just drag this down here to the middle, and I'm going to eyedropper that yellow color. Now we have all 3 of those in place. When I go back to Figma Motion, we're going to see a timeline for each of them. If you want to stagger them out, we can choose each ellipse and then move that over, and we can watch them now animate just like that. Hopefully you found that helpful, and as always, happy designing.